Have you ever felt it? That moment when an owl locks eyes with you and just doesn't look away. It's not like any other animal. No quick glance, no nervous movement, just a deep, unblinking stare, like it knows something you don't. And the strange part? You feel it too. A chill, a pause. Almost like time slows down for a second, because when an owl looks at you, it's not just seeing you, it's studying you. Welcome to Backyard Bird Mysteries, where we uncover the hidden behaviors of birds that most people never notice. If you're fascinated by moments like this and want to discover more secrets hiding right in your backyard, make sure you subscribe and stay with us till the end, because what you're about to learn might completely change the way you look at owls forever. Now, let's go back to that stare. Most people think owls are just being curious, or maybe even a little creepy. But the truth is far more fascinating, and honestly, a bit unsettling. First, you need to understand something important. Owls don't see the world the way we do. Their eyes aren't like human eyes. In fact, they're not even shaped like normal eyes. Owl eyes are long, tube-shaped structures fixed deep inside their skulls. That means they can't move their eyes side to side like we can. So when an owl locks its gaze on you, it's not just choosing to stare. It has to. The only way an owl can change what it's looking at is by moving its entire head. And we've all seen how they do that. Those slow, almost unnatural head turns that can go up to 270 degrees. But here's where things get interesting, because even though owls can move their heads, when they decide not to, that's a choice. And that choice tells us something. It means you've become the center of their attention, not because they're confused, not because they're scared, but because they're analyzing you. Owls are precision hunters. Every movement they make is calculated. Every sound, every shadow, every tiny shift in their environment is processed with incredible accuracy. So when an owl stares at you without looking away, it's doing something very specific. It's gathering information. Your size, your movement, your distance, your threat level. It's building a complete picture of you in its mind. And here's the part most people don't realize. Owls don't blink often. That steady, intense gaze, it feels unnatural because we're used to blinking, breaking eye contact, showing subtle social signals. Owls don't play by those rules. Their stillness is their power. In the wild, movement gives you away. So owls have evolved to become masters of stillness. When they lock eyes with you, they're not just watching. They're waiting. Waiting for you to make the first move. And the moment you do, they react instantly. But there's another layer to this behavior. Something even more fascinating. Owls rely heavily on depth perception. Their forward-facing eyes give them binocular vision, just like humans. This allows them to judge distance with extreme precision. So when an owl is staring directly at you, it's not just looking. It's measuring, calculating exactly how far away you are, determining whether you're something to ignore, something to avoid, or something to keep a very close eye on. And sometimes, it's something else entirely. Because not all owl stares are about defense or curiosity. Sometimes they're about territory. Owls are highly territorial creatures. If you find yourself being watched like this, especially at dusk or during the night, you might have unknowingly stepped into an owl's claimed space. And that stare? It's a warning, a silent message that says, I see you. I know you're here. And this is my place. No sound, no movement, just eyes. And somehow, that makes it even more powerful. But here's something even stranger. People from different cultures around the world have noticed this behavior for centuries. In many traditions, an owl's stare is seen as something mystical. Some believe owls can see things beyond the physical world. Others think they're symbols of wisdom, silently observing truths that humans can't understand. Now scientifically, we know what's really happening. But that feeling you get when an owl stares at you, that eerie sense that you're being seen in a deeper way, that part hasn't gone away. Because instinctively, we recognize intensity when we feel it. And owls have mastered it. Let's break it down even further. When you make eye contact with most animals, they'll eventually look away. It's a natural response, either submission or disinterest. But owls, they don't follow that rule. In fact, maintaining eye contact is part of their dominance and awareness. It shows confidence, control. They're not trying to intimidate you, but they're definitely not intimidated by you either. And that balance creates something unusual. A moment where two completely different creatures just watch each other. No language, no sound, just awareness. And in that moment, something strange happens. You start to feel like you're the one being studied, like the roles have reversed. And in a way, they have, because to an owl, you are the unusual one, a large, unpredictable presence moving through its environment. So it watches, it learns, it remembers. Yes, remembers. Owls have surprisingly strong memory when it comes to their surroundings. If you appear repeatedly in the same area, an owl may begin to recognize you. That stare might become familiar, less cautious, more curious. Almost like it's trying to figure out your patterns, the same way you're trying to understand its behavior. And if you've ever experienced an owl staring at you more than once, you know exactly how intense that feels. But here's something you probably didn't expect. That stare isn't always about you. Sometimes, it's about what's behind you, or near you. Owls have incredibly sharp hearing, so precise they can detect prey moving under leaves or even beneath snow. So when an owl locks its gaze in your direction, it might actually be focusing on a sound you can't hear. To you, it feels personal. But to the owl, you're just part of a larger picture. And yet, it still feels like it's looking straight through you. That's the magic and the mystery of owls. They blur the line between instinct and intelligence, between observation and awareness, between animal and something that feels almost human. So the next time an owl locks eyes with you and refuses to look away, don't panic, don't rush, just stay still. Observe the observer, because in that quiet moment, you're getting a rare glimpse into how a true predator sees the world. A world where stillness is strength, where silence speaks louder than sound, and where a single, unbroken stare can say everything. If you enjoyed uncovering this mystery, don't forget to subscribe to Backyard Bird Mysteries for more hidden secrets of the natural world. Because sometimes the most ordinary moments are hiding the most extraordinary truths. And trust me, this is just the beginning.